Hello everyone, my name is Miss Madrua, but you can call me Maddie, and welcome to True Corset's Corset School, where we teach you all the basics and not so basics of corset wear and care. Today, we're going to talk about corset boning and which material is best for corsetry. When corsets first came into style, the most commonly used material was whalebone. That's where we get the term boning. Nowadays, we use steel. There are two types of steel bones, spiral steel and flat steel. They're both incredibly strong and provide great results when used correctly. To save money, some cheaper corset brands use plastic or acrylic bones. This isn't such a good idea for a couple of reasons. First off, a plastic acrylic corset will never be as strong as a steel-boned corset. When you put the plastic bones under pressure, they just won't hold their shape. There's also a chance that a plastic bone will just snap altogether, as they don't have the same range of motion as, say, a spiral steel bone. Steel bones are not only much stronger, they're also more comfortable too. They can withstand the pressure of tight lacing without warping or digging into your skin the way a plastic bone would. This strength under pressure gives them a long lifespan as well. A true steel corset will last for years, even with regular wear, while a plastic bone corset doesn't have that same guarantee. Due to their weakness and tendency to warp, plastic bones simply can't give you the same reduction that steel bones can. Over time, and with correct use, a steel bone corset will mold your body. A plastic bone corset is so soft and flexible, it's unable to make your body conform to the same shape. Overall, in terms of longevity, results, and comfort, steel bone corsets are absolutely the way to go. Plastic bones may be more cost-effective, but they're nowhere near the quality you need for safe and comfortable waist training. That's why True Corset only uses steel bones, whether they be flat or spiral. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe, and be sure to ring that notification bell to be notified of all our new uploads. I'll see you next time on True Corset's Corset School. Bye!